We've thinned through this twice. Brother Nick did the last thinning. And look at all this natural regen. Just thick in here.
We're putting in
Tree planting 101. Drive the planting bar in about the depth that matches the length of the root. Insert the tree and use a couple fingers to help guide the root down in, and make sure that the top of the root is about level with the top of the ground. That's very important. And then do a back penetration of the planting bar to close the hole gently, and then gently step down the soil to compact it to some degree, but not too much.
You're rolling.
Okay. Bud capping 2016. Our father and grandfather, Jack Rajala, is with us in spirit, even though he can't be with us in person. But the bud capping continues as he taught us. So this is the bud. And the bud hardens in mid-August to late August, and as soon as that bud gets hard, it's tasty to the deer, and it's time to start bud capping. And today, here on September 4th, we've already seen evidence of deer browse. So the way that we bud cap on the white pine is to take a piece of paper, which is just office paper that we've kept, and cut it into small pieces about 2 inches by 3 inches. And you grab the tip of the tree and fold a bunch of needles over. This one's got a lot of needles, so it's going to be easy. And fold the bud cap and put 3 staples, maybe a couple more staples if you don't have very many needles to work with. Ivor, do a thorough inspection now. You check everybody out. Got the Rajala Company's silviculture crew out here in high gear doing white pine pruning. Low pruning and high pruning both at the same time. Double cutting to prevent the bark tear. So Ethan did a long cut, and now he'll do a short cut, and the branch has less weight on it, so it's not so apt to tear. Nice. That one he did a single cut because he knew that it was small enough. So Paul went through on a first pass, his first time, through a pretty dense pack here, or a patch, and we decided we were going to open it up a little bit more to be a little bit more spaced out, like this piece that I did just a few minutes ago. And better safe than sorry, we're easing our way into this. And he said, yeah, it's a little depressing to cut some of these down, but it's a function of either having gotten too much natural regeneration or we planted too tight. I heard him gasp because he's got to take down the biggest one in the group to create the spacing, but sometimes that's just what we have to do.